Welcome to the Domus 3D installation and operation video by Wellel. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to set up your Domus 3D system, ensuring a comfortable and smooth experience for your patients. When placing the mattress on the bed frame, make sure the feet icon is at bed end to ensure proper direction of the mattress. Secure the mattress firmly by fixing the straps to the bed frame. Ensure that moving sections of the bed frame are still free to move. Once the mattress is secured, hang the pump onto the bed end panel using the bed frame hangers. Connect air hose connectors from air mattress to the pump unit. A click sound will be heard when connection is completed and secured. Secure the excess length through the cable management loops to reduce the risk of tripping accidents. Connect the plug to the mains power socket. Check the CPR valve to make sure it is closed to prevent leakage and triggering the low pressure alarm. Turn on the power switch. Now, let's take a closer look at the user interface of the control unit. Pressure adjust levels, therapy mode, alternating, CLP, alarm mute, panel lock, low pressure indicator, PFA, power failure alarm, tech support. The system will start with initial inflation process. It will be forced to execute max firm, highest pressure level, for the quickest inflation. Please do not place patient on a mattress until it's fully inflated. The mattress takes about 30 minutes to reach full inflation. When the initial inflation, max firm process, is completed, the system will enter the alternating mode. Pressure adjust levels controls the air pressure output. Pressing the plus icon increases the output pressure. Conversely, press the minus icon to decrease the air pressure. The pressure should be adjusted according to individual weight and comfort preferences. Check if the pressure is suitable for the patient by sliding one hand beneath the air cells at the level of the patient's buttocks. Always leave at least 1 inch space between patient and the static cell to prevent bottoming out. Alternating mode is the system's default therapy mode and is ideal for general care as it ensures effective pressure redistribution. You can also press the therapy mode button to choose the alternating mode. The cycle time is set to the system default of 10 minutes. During alternating mode, the air cells underneath the patient are grouped into alternating sets, which one set inflates to support the patient and the other set deflates in a repeating cycle. Continuous low pressure, CLP mode, distributes pressure across the body evenly to minimize pressure at the skin to mattress interface. Press the therapy mode button to choose the CLP mode. During the continuous low pressure mode, all air cells maintain a lower pressure to provide better immersion and envelopment. Low pressure alarm alerts caregivers of possible leakage in head, body, and foot section of the mattress. To troubleshoot, check for the following. Quick connector is properly attached. CPR valve is closed. Inner mattress tubings are properly attached. Air hoses are properly arranged and are not broken. Power failure alarm with LED light and buzzer alerts caregivers of possible disruption to therapy care. To troubleshoot, check if the power cord is properly connected to a power source and if the power source is providing power. Tech support indicator displays when an issue occurs in the system and needs service. Alarm mute allows caregivers to temporarily suspend the audible alerts of the alarms for 3 minutes. If the control panel remains untouched for 5 minutes, a green LED will light up and the control panel will lock all settings. This will prevent the settings from being accidentally changed during normal operation. To unlock, simply press the panel lock button for 3 seconds. Cleaning is crucial to prevent cross-contamination. We recommend cleaning surfaces in a dry, dust-free environment. Use a damp cloth with mild detergent that won't harm the plastic casing to wipe down the pump. For the mattress, use warm water with mild detergent or chlorine bleach, followed by an approved disinfectant. The mattress cover can be removed for laundry and cleaned as specified by the laundry label. Air dry all parts thoroughly after cleaning before the next service. Check and replace air filter regularly if environment is dirty. Open the air filter cap located at the back of pump. The filter is reusable and can be washed gently with a mild detergent and water. Dry the filter before use. Before transporting the patient, caregivers should set the therapy mode to the continuous low-pressure mode to provide optimal patient comfort during transport. Press the CLP mode button. After 5 minutes, switch off pump and disconnect the power cord. Then remove and cap the quick connector to maintain surface firmness. The mattress will stay inflated for up to 8 hours, ensuring patient safety and care quality. The CPR control is located at the head section. During emergencies, caregivers can quickly deflate the mattress within 15 seconds and administer first aid treatment. Turn off the pump. Disconnect the quick connector. Open the CPR valve to quickly deflate the mattress, such as for storage. Be sure to close it immediately after full deflation. Roll from the head end towards the foot end. Foot end strap can then be stretched around the rolled mattress to prevent unrolling. We hope this demonstration video was helpful for you. For more information, visit www.wellel.com or contact your local Wellel representative.